Hello YouTube, this is Urwa and welcome to my channel Mundodi Vlogs. So friends, today I'm at Tafe Access Mangalore. I came here to get the front bumper lip spoiler installed on my car. So the front bumper lip spoilers will encourage the airflow to deviate to the sides of the vehicle and over the hoods rather than underneath. So this will increase the traction and stability of the vehicle during high speed runs and around the corners. Not only that, it will give the vehicle a very sportier look. So this is the instruction manual. According to the manual, we have to fix the lip spoiler using a combination of screw and adhesive. There are two holes provided for the screws and the remaining part we have to apply adhesive and we have to stick it in place. But the problem here is fixing the lip spoiler using adhesive is a very time consuming procedure. Not only that, this adhesive is not very durable also, because I have heard many complaints from different car owners who have fixed lip spoilers using adhesive. Because our Indian environment is very harsh on the adhesive and it will come loose within no time. So in my case, we are fixing the lip spoiler using only screws instead of adhesive. Okay, so now he is removing the screws underneath the car. There are two screws and there are two holes provided in the lip spoiler as well. Okay, he is blowing up the excess water because we have cleaned that area. It's always better to clean the bumper before fixing the lip spoiler. So he is fixing the screws in place. Okay. Now he has tightened it. All he has to take care is the alignment of the lip spoiler. Okay. Now after checking the alignment, he is punching a hole. We need to punch two holes because, as I said, we are not using any adhesive. Instead we are using screws. Okay, now he is fixing the screw in place. You need not worry because this hole will not be visible unless I sleep under the car. So he is punching one more hole at this side of the lip spoiler. Even this hole is not at all visible. Either we have to put the car on ramp or we have to sleep under the car. Other than that, the holes won't be visible at all. And in future, if I decide to remove the lip spoiler also, I need not worry. I can just close that hole using two screws. He has finished installing the lip spoiler in the left hand side of the car. The same procedure is to be followed for the right hand side as well. So I'll just fast forward it. This is how the car looks after the lip spoilers are installed. By appearance, it seems like the lip spoiler has decreased the ground clearance, but in fact, it won't affect the ground clearance in any way. So that's it for today guys. I hope you have found my video to be informative and interesting. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to Mundodi Vlogs for more such informative and interesting videos in the future. Thank you friends.